Jaja, Jaja, Jaja. Never let us down, no, Jah. Never let us down. 5 loaves of bread, 5,000 defend. Just like Moses right past the Red Sea, Jah. Never let I down. 10 and 20,000 rise up against me. Though not one of them can come smite me, Jah. Never let I down. Wicked heart and evil mind concentrate me. Thinking how they want terminate me, Jah. Never let us down. He's my shield and my buckler. He's my guide and protector. Whoa, he never let us down. Sing it at me, sing it. Go Jaja, 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 Jaja. Never let us down, no Jah. Never let us down. Everyone to sing it. Jaja, 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 Jaja. Never let us down, no Jah. Never let us down. Like how David slew Goliath with a sling and a stone. Sample slew the Philistine with a jackass and bounds. And never let I down. I run my back up in a sticky situation. To preserve a better preparation. Wow, we never let I down. They'll give you a basket to carry water. Why, oh why? To do your works, I'll never falter. Oh, no, no. Fools say if there is no God. But praising Jah, I'm feeling glad. Yeah. Oh, Jaja, 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 Jaja. Never let us down, no Jah. Yeah, oh yeah. See them a come, them there. Rasta na go run there. How who them there? Hey, how them a sham up them tail, them a jump on a wheel. A stuff a right, see them a go feel. Them a hype up themself and go like leaf on a tree. And go me see them a go quail. But say this time you shot the sheriff out, cause him didn't shoot no deputy. Hype them a hype and a shot man a think and a plan a does a come out for me. See them a come them. Why? See them a come them. Rasta na go run them. See them a come them. Now who them? Why? See them a come them. Rasta na go run them. Them give the youth 6 to 9. Don't you them want them turn to crime? Bad mind and jealousy, that's what them info gonna we. They teach you to fight against each other. Take away the love from our brother. Teach us to turn to hate. You see them a set be a bait. Why? See them a come them. Who them? Why? See them a come them. Rasta na. Oh God. We came to earth and found ourselves in the west. Each day of our life we seek that life which is the best. And as we lift our eyes to the east, we see that land flowing with milk and honey. Big ship is sailing home. So come along, come along, come along. Brothers and sisters going home. We are aware and prepared now that time is here. So Africa, here we come. We're trotting to our father's land. Whoa God, Africa, here we come. We're trotting to the promised land. Everyone know Africa, here we come. We're trotting to our father's land. Whoa God, Africa, here we come. We're trotting to the promised land. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We are the rightful owners. We're gonna trample it like a soldier. We're crossing all different waters, arriving at our final destination, Ethiopia, home mother of civilization. We're tired of all this persecution. Welcome us home with love and grace. Oh mama Africa, we see that smile on your face. Africa, here we come. We're trotting to our father's land. Oh God, Africa, here we come. We're trotting driving to the promised land. Everyone know Africa, here we come. We're driving to our father's land. Well, God, Africa, here we come. We're driving to the promised land. Shout it out loud, shout it out loud, yeah. Where is the black man's paradise that Marcus Garvey fought for yesterday, and we're still fighting for today, yeah. Where is the black man's paradise that Bob Marley fought for yesterday, and we're still fighting for today, yeah. Where is the black man's paradise Martin Luther King fought for yesterday, and we're still fighting for today, yeah. This may be harsh to say, but we're living in a white world. It's a statement that many fear to say, but Jah is our protector and we fear not to say. It's a prejudice world, yeah, it's a prejudice world. Where is the black man's paradise Malcolm X fought for yesterday, and we're still fighting for today, yes, yeah. Where is the black man's paradise Naya Bingi Elders fought for yesterday, and we're still fighting for today, yeah. It's their unity and their philosophy that gives them superiority, calling us minority, and in their heart they know we're the majority. It's a prejudice world, yeah, in a prejudice world. Where is the black man's paradise Harriet Tubman fought for yesterday, and we're still fighting for today, yes, yeah. Where is the black man's paradise?
Yo, Luciano, tell us something. What it is? Come wicked Babylon terrible. Burn them because them horrible. I'm go burn them with the bass and the treble. I'm go burn them mad gun they and them treble. Yo! Run wicked Babylon terrible. You the man say? Burn them because them horrible. Alright. Burn them with the bass and the treble. Burn them mad gun they with the alright. Fireman a blaze and burn them man done. So we not gates we burn them man done. Burn ice age and burn them man done. Fire can't gates we burn them man done. Burn the dopey and the grave and burn them man done. Till I say I will praise and burn them man done. Till them open up their ears and burn them man. Burn them man. Luciano say say them a burn now. Watch out them a run, but there is no way to run. Burn dirty Babylon terrible. Burn them because them horrible. Must burn them from the bass and the treble. Must burn them and burn them with the treble. Burn wicked Babylon terrible. Yeah, the man say burn them because them horrible. Well, I burn them from the bass and the treble. Yeah, must burn them mad gun with the treble. I gotta go and get what's mine. Then stop my flow, then let's stop my shine. I don't know why them get bad mind. Life is so full of wonder design. I gotta go and get what's mine. Can't stop my flow, then let's stop my shine. Cause I don't know why them get bad mind. Life is so full of wonder design.
Up some peas and plant up some corn. Till up the side and rip off my farm. Me nah no time for sit down and keep calm. After work, she perform. And much more another baby just born. The little youth them a belch and a yarn. Prepare for job, famine or storm. Papa Luchi come for nice something wrong. I am doing Jaweel, moving on still. I gotta make it over like oh, I am doing Jaweel, moving on still. I gotta make it over like sometimes my life gets rough at times, but I won't let hold my mind. I will rise and I will shine, 'cause I know I'll get what's mine. I am doing Jaweel, moving on still. I gotta make it over like chill. Oh, yes, I am doing Jaweel.
Every time as I provide the bread so the food can done. Hurricane I come but the food can done. The pot just up on the fire so the food can done. The farmer man not tell the sign so the food can done. Just provide the bread so the food can done. Hurricane I come but the food can done. The pot just up on the fire so the food can done. The farmer man not tell the sign so the food can done. In the abundance of water, they say the fool's still thirsty. Never see things the positive way, blind to reality. And it's the thought of a man in his mind gives him energy. You got to free up yourself in this time, be a vessel of His Majesty. I provide the bread so the food can done. Hurricane I come but the food can done. The pot just up on the fire so the food can done. The farmer man not turn the style so the food can done. Just provide the bread so the food can done. Hurricane I come but the food can done. The pot just up on the fire so the food can done. The farmer man not turn the style so the food can done. Earth is rich with here and water.
Yes, you have to teach them. If you don't teach, who's gonna teach them for you? Raise, yes, you have to raise them. Cause if you don't raise, who's gonna raise them for you? Yes, you have to love them. And if you don't love, who's gonna love them for you?
Oh, as today to be there. Just like an holiday, unity, that's what to say. You see the youths them playing in the park. You don't know what to run them up the dark. Everything is everything. Till them say no axe to play righteousness, that's what we bring. While they promoting their warm and service, the power of the world to preserve more life. Plant the seed and let it grow. More life. Don't be like the dog who loses a bone. More life. Got to work hard to achieve your home. More life. And you will find some peace at home. Oh, as today to be a day, just like an holiday, unity, that's what to say. You see the youths them playing in the park. You don't know what to run them up the dark. Everything is everything. Till them say no axe to play righteousness, that's what we bring. While they promoting their warm and service, the power of the world to preserve more life. Life is what you make it. And if you don't make, who's gonna make it for you? Me say the youths, yes, you have to teach them. If you don't teach, who's gonna teach them for you? Raise, yes, you have to raise them. Cause if you don't raise, who's gonna raise them for you? And we say love, yes, you have to love them. And if you don't love, who's gonna love them for you? Oh, as today to be a day, just like an holiday, unity, that's what to say. You see the youths them playing in the park. You don't know what to run them up the dark. Everything is everything. Till them say no axe to play righteousness, that's what we bring. While they promoting their warm and service, the power of the world to preserve more life. Time is ticking on the clock.
When you find Jah, all your troubles are over. You see, yeah. When you got love on your bills and cover, for real, for real. Say you feel like a dog without a bone, just like a sling without a stone, just like a ship without a rudder. No one to call you very own. Don't know direction where to turn. Don't even know how to find an answer. Just like a fork without a lift, just like a night without a shift, and everything you do just seems to falter. But when you find all your troubles are over, you see, yeah. When you got love, all your bills are covered. For real, for real. If you feel like the world is closing on you and all your kids depending on you, then you start think what else you're going to do. Seek you find the kingdom of God, and everything shall be added after. All your hearts shall turn to laughter, laughter, and every seed you sow shall prosper. When you find all your troubles are over, you see, yeah. When you got love, all your bills are covered.
Over and over they keep on trying, yet it seems so hard. Because the system is a vampire, too much crime and violence, disobedience, and no juvenile delinquents. I just wanna know for sure, when are we gonna stop living on your desire? Segregation, separation, miseducation, it's a devastation. Look at the nation, I pray for you all. We're gonna liberate the board, African people, yeah. We're all one people, yeah. One love, my people. Yeah, we got to unite as a people. Yes, my black African people. Yeah, we're all one people. Yeah, one love, my people. Yeah, we got to unite as a people. Our dreams being shattered. Wow. Our people being scattered. We were chastised, some being battered, and if we die, it really doesn't matter. The bloods of the slaves, cause it's like water, there's no love for the slave. They even rape your daughter, kill your sons, auction you for millions of dollars. That's the words of the white collar. African people, yeah, Ethiopian people, yeah, we are all black people, yeah, one love my people, reaching out to all the African people, yeah, Ethiopian people, yeah, one love black people, oh, we are Rastaman people, too much crime and violence, disobedience, and no juvenile delinquents. I just wanna know for sure, when are we gonna stop listening our early desire? Segregation, separation, miseducation, it's a devastation. Look at the nation, I pray for you all. We're gonna liberate the poor, the children are crying, dying. Over and over they keep on trying, yet it seems so hard. Because the system is a vampire. African people, yeah, we're all one people.
Have you ever heard a cage bird sing? There's a time and a place for everything. Whoa, 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 whoa. And do you believe in the joy it brings? When your eyes are open and you can see everything that's around you, separating friends from foes, taking dangerous blows, learning from life as you grow. Yo, do you believe me? And however rough it may seem, it is not a far-fetched dream, and I know dreadlock will become
birds sing. There's a time and a place for everything, yo. Can you hear me? Yeah. Just open up your eyes, take a look within. There's a time and a place for everything, yo. Do you hear me? This one call you. Time and no time and no time and no time and no place. So you can't go to ready down east way in a ace. So try not take your money and go free no base. So watch when you walk and walk around with it in your way. So lama no time road ready to kill you in a ace. So kill you and go hide your body and no left a trace. So listen to Joe Banton and the rhythm with me case. So who know what hear me just say it to me face, guys. Let me see. There's a time and a place for everything, yo. If you don't know, go and ask the son of the king. Just you take a look within. Cause there's a time and a place for everything, yo. How much more can I tell you now? We still are children of men. No, he's on the Lord, he's God. It is
someone tell me. What's there? If they didn't know. No, someone tell me. What's there? Them didn't know say one day the black man would rule this land, yeah. Them woulda never take away from Mama Africa. Now the hope of the world lies in the hand of a child of a slave. This blackness where them teachers say our classes has now become the light of hope for the masses. Check the progression, we need a leader with discretion. Martin Luther get the vision. So make we holla, holla, holla. While on the field we put on division. Come make we holla, holla, holla. And cancel racism. Yo, make we holla, holla, holla. It's about time we live Martin's vision. Yo, make we holla, holla, holla. Cancel racism. Now the children of slaves are prime ministers. In America, the commander-in-chief, yeah. Now what's the difference between black and white? Why do we still fight? Segregation is not right. From a slave to the highest position in the land, the life of Joseph come again. History can recall mighty men fall. While the leaves stand tall, so make we holla, holla, holla. While on the field we put on division. Come make we holla, holla, holla. And cancel racism. Yo, make we holla, holla, holla. It's about time we live Martin's vision. Yo, make we holla, holla, holla. Cancel racism. Segregation now go back. Violence it now go back. Hating now go back. Just believe me, none of them now go back. Politics it now go back. Open your eyes and see just one thing I know, say. The whole of them things they now go back. Get it in your brain, you will not go back. Take it from me, not you see ya. They tell you said them things they now go work. I just want this for the future. Hey, so make we holla, holla, holla. While on the field we put on division. So make we holla, holla, holla. And cancel racism. Yo, make we holla, holla, holla. It's about time we live Martin's vision.
Rastafari come, oh Lord, oh well. In that say knowledge is the way to survive. In that say food is the store of life. In Rastafari is the way to salvation. In that
say cherish him, and he will never depart. Lazy man shall not eat, by the sweat of your brow you'll eat bread. Man without self-confidence is twice defeated in this race of life. So I repeat, oh Lord, knowledge is the way to survival. And I say food is the stone of life. And Rastafari is the way to salvation. And I say cherish him, and he will never depart. Claims he knows everything when he knows not a thing. No way. This ya one ya red. This ya one ya red now. Hold on, wait. Again, lots of knowledge is the way to survive. Oh, that's it. Food is the song of life. Got to be a winner for that. Ain't no good to be a loser. Got to be a winner for that. Ain't no good to be a loser. I gave all my heart and soul, yes. I got it fully on the ways control. Say the half of the story has never been told. Fulfillment of prophecy just got to unfold. I'll never betray my master for silver nor gold, no. I say I wanna live forever. I don't wanna lose my soul. Don't wanna lose my soul. Got to be a winner for that. Ain't no good to be a loser. Got to be a winner for that. Ain't no good to be a loser. I've got to be a winner, a winner, a winner. Got to be a winner, a winner, a winner. Oh Lord, yeah, oh well. Hey, as I journey down life road, yes. Kalonji to with me carry my heavy load to where sweet waters flow, yes. Because the road is a rough and winding road. I don't care what they say, and I don't care what they do. Would I do that I'm treading through? Jah, I found a friend in you, yes. Ooh, way. Ooh, Lord. Got to be a winner for Jah. Ain't no good to be a loser. Got to be a winner for Jah. Ain't no good to be a loser. I've got to be a winner, a winner, a winner. Got to be a winner, a winner, a winner. Oh Lord, well, oh well, oh yeah, oh yes, hey. So Jah content with those who content with me, and he fight against those who fight against me. Jah take up shield and bucklers and run to my aid. Why, he brand his spear and javelin against all who persecute me, and say to my soul, you my salvation. Ooh, we Jah, say to my soul, you my salvation. That's why I've got to be a winner for Jah. Ain't no good to be a loser. Got to be a winner for Jah. Ain't no good to be a loser. I've got to be a winner, a winner, a winner. Hey, na 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 na.
Jah love set me free. Let me tell you about this friend I know. Stick to me now everywhere I go. A friend indeed, someone I can rely on. Guide me through the sinking sand. Never let me sit up in the seat of the scornful, or walk it in the wages of sinners. no. Love lift me up. Love lift me and take me higher. Child love take me higher. Love lift me up. Love lift me and take me higher. Child love take me higher. I never seemed to know which way to go until you came along and showed me how to go. You say go. Hold on to your pride and stand up strong. Always keep a smile and let it glow, glow. You say glow. Lift me, love, lift me, love, take me higher. Child, love, take me higher. Love, lift me, love, lift me and take me higher. Child, love, take me higher. I wish everyone in this world would acknowledge you. Everyone in this world and you would be friends. Oh, what a wonderful world this would be, yes. Internationally, yes. Universally, officially. Lift me up. Lift me and take me higher. Child love, take me higher. I wish everyone in this world would acknowledge you. Everyone in this world and you would be friends. Love, take me higher. Child, love, take me higher. Love, lift me, love, take me higher. Child, love, take me higher. All I care, let the world go crazy. It's not the world, but the people that's within. Yes, and I'll be tell them stop the fussing and fighting. And all the sister them know why unite. All on their mind is just sniping and swiping. All on their mind is just to take another life. And all them sister that them systems not working. And all the go tired my sister them sliding. Why you don't wanna see your brother them strive? Why you don't want to see your sister them a strive? Oh, na 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 na. Can't take another bomb a drop in India. Don't want to hear no more bombing in America. Can't take this time, can't take the suicide life, yeah. South Africa, we say a lightning and thunder. Emperor Selassie, we shield him and we guide, yeah. Him a the king, a guide it to Israelites. Babylon, we say them a fit take a flight. Oh, na 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 na. Na 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 na. Oh, na 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 na.
I don't wanna see the youth a penitentiary. Don't wanna see the youth a jumping from. I don't wanna see the youth don't a sexual alone in a remand. I would rather see the youth a do some muscling. Plant some food and make it big, you juggling. That is only one way to keep yourself out of trouble. And tell the youth, jailhouse is not the place you wanna be.
not the place for you or me. Jailhouse is not the place you wanna be. Jailhouse is not the place for you or me. No way. Bleeding to the youths, still far out. Oh, well, hear me out, yeah. Look now, people, hear me out, yeah. Oh, God, yes. Who made the birds and the bees, sky and the sea? You and me will. Who made the moon and the stars? All creatures great and small. Jah who made them all. Till one take pride in destroying each other, living like savage every day. Ignorance in the spirit is holding us down. But what goes up, I know it must come down. Cause tribal war won't stop the problem. Only love of the heart can solve them. Hate and grudge can't stop the problem. Only love of the heart can solve them. Oh yeah. Wanna make no tough issues affecting my people, leading them to evil. Hate and grudge, despise and dishonesty. Tell you that's not the way we wanna be. Wanna bring back the days when your love was down on earth. Wanna bring back those days when the heart of man was purged. What we need is love to guide us along the way. It don't matter what they say, I know tribal war can solve the problem. Only love of the heart can solve it. Tribal war won't stop the problem. Only love of the heart can solve it. Oh yeah. What we need is love.
Some of them left from boy and they come to speak out to black people picnic. But join all the miss, it's just Jah we praise. Yes, yeah. Put the fullness on the heart. Just make them secure. Run no time to pretend. It's I and I create these problems, and if your heart is yours, all this war would end. For the sake of the children, make the children secure. And no time to pretend. It's I and I create the problems, and if your heart is yours, all this war would end. For the sake of the children, tell them refrain from the negative. Life is for all and you're not to live. Some don't really want to see the world as it is, so them get caught with all the things where them a build foundation for set. We got to do it pick up a kind of X. There ain't no easy way about this. Some sidestep, some come for trick. Them wrong concept of devil, them a worship. Make the children secure, and no time to pretend. I and I create these problems, and if your heart is yours, this war would end. For the sake of the children, make the children secure, and no time to pretend. It's I and I cause the problems, and if your heart is really yours, war would end. For the sake of the children, yeah, with all the troubles that come, you've got to overcome and be sure to take your place. And letting your ego get you down, having you for it fun. I wonder what would it take. Sam Stroke him say, if not see me, oh gosh, I say I was praising Jah. He inspired me a whole lot. Look at them idly, them catch a eagle only the children in the rock, but just make them secure. That's not time to pretend. It's I and I cause these problems, and if your heart is really yours, war would end. With the sake of the children, make them secure. And no time to pretend. It's I and I cause these problems, and if your heart is yours, everything would amend. For the sake of the children. Hey, Ra, for I shall speak excellent things. The opening of thy lips shall be right things. My mouth speak a truth. Wickedness is an abomination unto our lips on the Lord thy God. Yeah. It's just a one. Hey, hey. So that's the I calling. Yo, just make them secure. Run out time to that
Against King Selassie, know that your kingdom a come down. We see the wicked them a run, come. Trying to enter your kingdom, but it's too late. Them a go down in a lump sum. Them love Papa Rasta. When I live down Geneva, never take it to him word, yeah. Behold the leaders of the world for to corruption. They're on corruption, yeah. Rasta man, I warn you, yeah. Politicians fool the people, yeah. Tell you no lie, they're able. We saw the leaders of the world bow down to evil, yes. Rasta man, I warn you, yeah. Tell you the whole damn world's in trouble, yeah. Consumed by their own evil, the falling angels of this world. Now that your kingdom will come down. We see the wicked them a run, come. Trying to enter your kingdom, but it's too late. Them a go down in a lump sum. Them love Papa Rasta. When I live down Geneva, never take it to him words, yeah. Behold the leaders of the world fighting corruption. They're on corruption, yeah.
Don't see their lies. Pick up yourself, be wise. We fit the description and they sending they spies. Why? Ask me why. People look around you, can't you see plans for the demise? 1/5 of us must die. I will show you game aims. I've seen the plan, man. Slowly importing schemes and the dreams inside our brain. Hang. Don't get too faint, cause I could just give it bit by bit. Cause life is just too short for the like the fake thing. They were like us to look upon.
Come down. We see the wicked them a run, come. Trying to enter your kingdom, but it's too late. Them a go down in a lump sum. Them love Papa Rasta. When I live down Geneva, never take it to him words, yeah. Behold the leaders of the world fighting corruption. Tell the words I say every day before I strap up. I say, yo, Holy Father, the world is on a rampage, and before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray. Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll come with you again. Holy Father, the world is on a rampage, and before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray. Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll come with you again. Click clock, another gunshot. Nothing innocent lose them like Judas, yeah. The wicked rejoice, yeah. The wicked rejoice. Still, I won't fear, cause I know clear. Jack got my walk everywhere out there, yeah. That's why I rejoice, yeah. My prayer to Jah. Holy Father, the world is on a rampage, and before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray. Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll come with you again. Holy Father, the world is on a rampage, and before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray. Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll come with you again.
It's a daily routine to live in the dream. They simply take hold of our minds. I swear it begins because to lose control of the mind of the people is destruction to the matrix. Then the empire comes tumbling in. You see, we live in the times where evil may be on the rise, making war, taking lives, corrupted leaders, taking bribes. So keeping your soul revived is worth the risk. They'll put you in the twilight zone and you're right back where you were.
Holy Father, the world is on a rampage, and before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray. Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll come with you again. Holy Father, the world is on a rampage, and before I step on my door, I bend my knees and pray. Give us strength.
Yeah. Whoa. Yes. Why? What's up with the world? It's the people that live in it, and I'm wondering when they'll make a change. In this age and time, you got to know your purpose of living. Cause only in this time, the fittest can survive. God knows I hate to see brothers killing brothers, a nation fighting amongst themselves. It makes me wonder what will be the future, because the children needs to play. What's the matter with the world? Is the world gone mad? Yeah. Ain't nothing wrong with the world. It's the people that's in it. In it. I will love it. Oh, yes. Hey. Whoa. For the day when we land universal peace. Say the day. When the drugs and the guns and the bombs and the wars decrease. I know somewhere out there you find tranquility. What's the matter with the world? Is the world gone mad? Oh, yes. Ain't nothing wrong with the world.
Get to youths, they must suffer. Your treasure in your treasure. That wrong from a Babylon a meta. Get to youths, they must suffer. Your treasure in your treasure. That wrong from a Babylon a meta. Love the youths that to me heart. Feeling some of them fight. Babylon so start come terrorize the vibes. The youths not got no freedom. Then how them for strife? You still a ring your gun now. Who responds for them life? A liquid runs from the cup. And things start to rub. You want to run away. You tell them stuff about something coming up. Say be on the town. What you gonna say? You better leave them and not pray. Anyway, yo, the power of the Trinity. Release the strength. This is the golden opportunity to go to off the mind. I live in Ethiopia from Zion. I reign for I shall not pass this way again. All that I have is pure love. Babylon only come here so featuring blood. Ethiopia could never ever be in a the mud. Babylon I wash them and yet them so cancer. The liquid now it rolls from the cup. And things start to roll, you want to roll away. You tell them stuff about something coming, no say for you on the top. What you gonna say? You want to need a man brain every day. You must suffer on your treasure, in your treasure. That's wrong from a tan parliament. Run. You must suffer, treasure in your treasure. That's wrong from his Bobby wrong a major. The whole of them, in them states have shots. Selassie is the Almighty. We not take back, not shot. Lion power, come crush every trap. All what they saw is blackness black. Lord of my host, keep I going strong. I go with strong and all when me voice so. Me still a born Babylon, me not fi good them cause. Cause nothing no wrong, nothing never X wrong. No pardon words from no mouth. Ouch, this a judgment is just like bomb. Yo, get a youth, them a suffer. Treasure in your treasure, yo, that's wrong from a politician. Dead the so a major. The youth, them a suffer. Your treasure in your treasure, that's wrong from his Babylon a major. Yo, I know it run from the cold. And things start to run, them want to run away. I'm telling you, get to youth,
just can't water me down, Mr. Babylon. You just can't water me down now. Just can't water me down, Mr. Babylon. You just can't water me down, you just can't water me down, Mr. Babylon. You just can't water me down now. No. Brush out the youths, them think them are down. Sell out the youths, the Vatican. Kill off Selassie and go on the rum. Who plant the bomb, they say under the ground.
for people united. Say, you just can't water me down, Mr. Babylon. You just can't water me down now. You can't water me down, Mr. Babylon. You just can't water me down, one. You just can't water me down. Water me down, Mr. Babylon. You just can't water me down, one. No, no. I see that now things no fear. When the idol can't share and the money disappear, that's when the banks appear. Hard only and everything. Sometimes it's bitter like a gall. Sometimes it's sweet. Na. What I don't see. Hard only. Sometimes I try to make we fall, but I keep we on the feet. Sometimes I really put your mind at stress, but still you're blessed. Some dog I run past the nest, some fowl I run past the nest. It's not all that glitter is gold. You got to have a mind control. After the story has not been told. What I don't see, I don't leave. Sometimes it's bitter like a gall, sometimes sweet. No. What eyes don't see, I don't leave. Someone may stumble down and fall. Rasta keep me firmly on my feet. It's not everything good for eat, good for talk. Wear up the shadow of the dark. See a man ways, but they don't see his heart. Righteousness to preach from the start. So clean up your mind and clean up your thought, yes. If you start going to see, go take a bath. Go to the river Nile, go check out. What I don't see, I don't leave. Sometimes it's bitter like a gall, sometimes sweet. No. What eyes don't see, I don't leave. Someone will stumble down and fall. Real life, I got to keep my goals them in sight. I man used to live up in a one-room shack. Can barely find food, not even clothes from my back. Roof start leak, now me have to set a pot. Water start drop, tippa tap. Hold up me heavens, wow me now look back. Heights of meditation, let me stay on track. Know all the streets and the lanes. Hold all the heartaches and pains. Think about the street life. It is the only life I know. Real life. Desolate place I earn my dough. Thinking about the street life. It is the only life I know. Real life. I got to keep my goals them in sight. At times I have to swallow all my pride and credit at the corner shop, knowing that tomorrow I can't go back. So I take a piece of paper and I take up a pen. Write a big tune, it have to hit it top 10. Select a yellow one, I have to lift it up again. Work so me do it, have to solve the problem. If you see the look in my eyes, you know I'm going for the prize. Singing about the street life. This the only life I know. Real life. In desolate place I earn my dough. Think about the street life. This is the only life I know. Real life.
Now when your name clean up your heart and come. Now you cannot bet corruption in a system Babylon upon. So clean up your heart and come. Tell them say go clean up them heart and alright, we tell you no. Badness no pay, lovely the way. One them can't stop me so big and no day. Badness no pay, lovely the way. This an international sound, okay. Them a run down them dirty things. Them know how they clean pure and worthy things. So me have to burn them out and me certain king. And the youth them they a son no flirting, right. Them know so them ya youth do everything them do it well clean. Now follow Babylon them evilous regime. Now let teen no hypocrite pon the scene. Treat every ghetto you like the highly supreme. Every ghetto you they're just a human being. Rise ghetto youth them for rise. That's why me say clean up your heart and come. If I read international tell them say you go on the ground. Clean up your heart and clean up your heart. Clean up your heart, cause them heart too dirty. That's why anything them in a always stucky. When me check it out, them meditation so when them a go with I know if they really want it. Alright, them kicky bookie. Leave up me tell them clean up them heart and come. Yo, you cannot pet corruption and a sister Babylon a burn. Clean up your heart and clean up your heart and clean up your heart and come. Them a run down the dirty things.